Hello, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last day I had given some homework questions. Last day I have completed binomial theorem. Today we are going to start with a new. I think I have already started with the new chapter. So we'll continue. Okay. Till then, Shashwato, what happened? You didn't send me your homework. Hello, Shashwato, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Shashwato? Oh, you have exam in school.
Yes, sir. I told you.
Because of that or something else?
Yes, sir. Because of that only.
Okay. And then you send your homework after all your exam ends. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, let us continue, everyone. Last day I had given some homework on binomial theorem. Today we'll continue with complex numbers. Can everyone see my screen? Tell me.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think these were the homework questions. Okay, let us start. Number one is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Number one is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Number one. Okay. Number two. Number two. The answer is given as. Okay. Number two. The answer is given as 10 point 10.00 triple three. Okay, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, next. Oh, wait a minute. This is the answer of number two. 10.00 double triple three. Next. Number three, we need to find out the sum of all these sum of the series. Three part one, the answer is square root of two. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
Sir, could you
Number
please solve this?
number three. Okay. So in this kind of series, okay, first of all, see, whenever this kind of series comes, okay, you will not know like whether it is AP, GP or anything, what kind of series it is. Okay. Okay. But every time if you see that a different factor is being multiplied, like see 1 by 4, then 1 by 4 into 3 by 8, then 1 by 4 into 3 by 8 into 5 by 12, then you start comparing it with binomial series. Are you getting Shamali how to identify whether it is a binomial series or some GP series? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Every time a new factor is getting multiplied. Can you see 3 by 8? Then again 3 by 8 into 5 by 12. Then some other factor, maybe I think 7 by 16. Can you understand? And
Yes, sir.
since all of them are plus, okay, so try to compare it with 1 plus x whole to the power n. Are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Start comparing it with 1 plus x whole to the power n. Okay, actually minus n. Okay, 1 plus x whole to the power minus n. Mm, okay, wait a minute. 1 plus x whole to the power n only. Okay, let's see. What are we getting? So what is 1 plus x whole to the power n? If
1
1
plus
plus
nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x squared plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus dot 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 dot.
by 3 factorial into x cube. Okay. So just give me 1 minute. Okay. So Shamli, when you compare, what is the value of nx? Tell me. Nx is equal to
So the value of nx is 1 by 4.
nx is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. And n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to
1 by 4 into 3 by 8.
1 by 4 into 3 by 8. From here only we are going to calculate the value of n index. Okay. Nx is equal to 1 by 4. N into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 8. So from here, what are we getting? Taking 2 factorial, this will go by 2. Okay. Then you will see you are getting nx into nx minus x. This will be equal to 3 by 16. Can you understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is nx? Nx is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus x. This will be equal to 3 by 16. Tell me. Are you getting
Yes.
Shamli? Yes. I did send me your what happened?
Sir, my exam will end this week.
Send me all the homeworks at once. Okay, remember. Okay, good evening, Roshan. Can you hear me? Hello, Roshan. Can you hear me? Hello, Roshan. Are you able to hear me? Pallavi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roshan, you didn't send me your homework. I mean, did you go through all the classes which you have missed?
Sir, I did the last class of permutation and the first class of binomial theorem. I have not done it all. I'm doing it.
Okay, go through them all. Okay, it's important.
Yes, sir, I'm going to.
Okay, now see 4 will get cancelled. Okay, so I've got 1 by 4 minus x is equal to 3 by 4. So from here, what is the value of x? X is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which will give us how much? Minus half. Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Shamali, now how will find out the value of n?
Nx equals to 1 by 4, so x we have found out minus half. So like putting the value of x in that equation, we can find out the value of n.
Yes, so tell me what is the value of n from here? N is equal to minus half. So
Yes,
n is equal to minus half, x is equal to minus half. So this whole series becomes 1 minus half whole to the power minus half. Right, tell me.
yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the final answer? Your answer is 1 minus half whole to the power minus half. This will give us how much? Root over 2. Is it clear? Tell me, Shamali.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, next. Let us move on. 3 part 1 is square root of 2. 3 part 2, the answer is coming as 4. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. 3 part 2, the answer is coming as 4. 3 part 3, I have to check. 3 part 3, what did you people get? E square minus E. Tell me. Everyone
Yes,
got E square
sir.
minus E? Okay.
But you said it was wrong.
So, wait, let me check. Okay. I'm just checking yours.
Said, you
Huh?
said 1 and 2 are incorrect.
Wait. No, E square minus E is correct only.
1 and 2 were incorrect, you said.
Wait. Part 3 is correct. Okay. So yes, I hear you want me to explain or you have understood? Tell me. Part 2.
No, sir, I have understood.
Okay. Question number 4, option A. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. 4 is option A. Next. 5 came in JE
Sir,
advanced.
could you please do the question number 4?
Question number 4. Okay, let us start. So it is given y equal to 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube plus dot. It goes on up to infinity. So try to understand this y is equal to 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube. Okay, what does it looks like? Tell me. Can you identify the series? What does it looks like? Tell me, Shamali. Can you identify the series? Second one you can identify, right? 1 by 3y minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 2. Okay, it's like the series which we have done it now, right? I mean, it's a binomial series, second one. But tell me, what about the first one? I mean, number 4. Number 4, can you tell me? I mean the first series, y is equal to 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube. Can you identify what kind of series it is? Can anyone else identify and tell me what kind of series it is? 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube. Achha, wait. You will understand it now. Can you see that the difference is 3 over here?
series.
Then the difference is 4 over here. Then the difference will be 5 over here.
Yes, sir.
Right? Can you understand? So
Yes,
the coefficients, the differences of the coefficients are in AP, right? So first of all, let us convert them into AP. Okay, what I'm going to do is, pay attention. Y is equal to 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube plus dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so over here I'm going to convert. Okay, can I write it as y is equal to, since differences of differences are in AP, okay, I'm going to multiply it by x over here. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract xy is equal to 3x square plus 6x cube plus dot 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 dot. So when you subtract, you take y common, you'll get 1 minus x is equal to 3x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x to the power 4 plus dot 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 dot. Tell me, are you getting, Shamli?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now Shamli, this one is AGP. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let us simplify this AGP series. Let us call this as P. Okay. So P is equal to 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x to the power 4 plus dot 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 up to infinity. Okay. Common ratio is x. So we used to multiply by x and then subtract. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Px will be equal to 3x cube plus 4x to the power 4 plus dot 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 plus up to infinity. So when you subtract, P common, 1 minus x will be equal to 3x square plus over here x cube plus x to the power 4 plus up to infinity. Okay, let us simplify. This will become 3x square plus x cube plus up to, this one will be a by 1 minus r, that is x cube by 1 minus x. Right, tell me, Shamli. Okay, now we have to simplify. So p into 1 minus x. Huh? Over here. Over here it is not given as x is less than 1, but since it is an infinite series, okay, the only way it can converge is when x is less than 1. Otherwise the question is invalid. Are you getting? Otherwise the question is invalid only. If you don't consider x is less than 1, okay, then y is infinity, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Only the second series will also not converge. Understood?
Sir, I
Yes, sir.
solved it like using 1 minus x to the power minus n formula. I added 1 to both sides.
Okay, 1 minus x to the power n. Okay, are you getting the, okay, these are
Yes, sir.
factorials, right? These are
Yes, sir.
factorials. But this is not coming as factorial. This one is,
Sir, I added 1 to both sides.
okay. Achha, wait, first of all, let me solve, then I'll hear your method, okay?
Yes, sir.
So p into 1 minus x will be equal to 3x square. Okay, so over here 1 minus x is LCM. Numerator would be 3x square. Okay, 3x square minus 3x cube plus x cube. Okay, So P will be equal to x 3x square minus 2x cube upon 1 minus x whole square. Okay. Is there any way nothing is getting cancelled? No. Okay. So let us substitute P over here. So now what is, okay, putting P, what do we get? We get y is equal to 3x plus 3x square minus 2x cube upon 1 minus x whole square. Okay. Coming is lengthy, but anyways, let's see. I think we have to solve only. No, there's no other choice. 3x cube plus 5x to the power 4 to infinity. Okay, let us take 1 minus x whole square as the LCM. Let's see what are we getting. In the numerator, we are going to get 3x into 1 minus x whole square. That is 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 3x square minus 2x cube. Okay, let us simplify. What are we getting? This will come as 3x minus 6x square, then 3x cube, okay, plus 3x square minus 2x cube. Okay, the whole thing is divided by 1 minus x whole square. Okay, so over here, what are we getting? 3x cube minus 2x cube is x cube. Okay, are we getting a cubic formula? Let's see. X cube plus, just give me one, x cube plus 3x square. Oh, wait. X cube minus 3x square. It's coming as minus 3x square plus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 3x upon 1 minus x whole square. Okay, this is what I am getting. Numerator can be converted into a cubic formula, right? Numerator can be converted into a cubic formula. What is 1 minus x whole cube? 1 minus x whole cube is equal to x. I'm just taking x minus 1 whole cube is equal to what? Tell me. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1, right? Oh, acha. So that means we need to subtract and add 1. Okay. Are you getting? Shomli? So let us subtract and add 1. We are going to get x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. I have subtracted 1. So I'll add 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. Okay. Further, if we simplify, this will come as x minus 1 whole cube upon 1 minus x whole square. Okay. That will come as negative, right? Because x minus 1 whole cube and 1 minus x whole square, they are negatives of each other. Okay. So I am getting 1 by
x minus 1 into 1 minus x when it is inside a whole square, then it won't be affected.
it won't get affected, no? X minus 1 whole square and 1 minus x.
If I convert the lower term.
Convert the lower term. Okay, then what are we getting? Then we are going to get x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Right, tell me. X minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1. So everyone, it is clear? Tell me. Okay, wait, let me check. So many steps I have done.
Isn't there y into 1 minus
It was y into 1 minus x, right? Oh, yes. So it was y into 1 minus x. Instead of this, it has to be 1 minus x. Okay, so the denominator becomes 1 minus x whole cube. Oh, many things.
then it gets cancelled.
No. Oh, yes, okay. I thought again I have to take LCM. No, but it's fine. Actually, the calculation is going on the right hand side. I just have to take 1 minus x on the right hand, from left hand side to right hand side.
To divide by 1.
Yes, so it will become 1 minus x whole cube. Okay. Achha, now we are dividing by 1 minus x whole cube. Now they are negatives of each other. Now they are negatives of each other. So this will basically become 1 by 1 minus x whole cube minus 1. Shamli, this is y. Now we have to simplify y also. Okay, what is actually y? Okay. So Shamli, can you see that alternately it is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It goes on like this. Okay. That means there are high chances that it is 1 minus x whole to the power n, isn't it? Can you understand, Shamli? Moreover,
Yes, sir.
you see the coefficient of y is 1 by 3. So there are high chances that n is equal to 1 by 3. Right? Ny. Can you people understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Ny. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the value of 1 minus y whole to the power n and check it once. Okay, let us start solving. What is 1 minus y whole to the power 1 by 3? Okay, so 1 minus y whole to the power 1 by 3, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3y, okay, plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 2 factorial, right, into y square, right, 1 minus 1 by 3y plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 factorial into y square. So that is coming as 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. No, but it should have been 4 by 3, isn't it? Let me see. It should be 4 by 3. Numerator is 4.
So it is 4 divided by 2.
No, it has to be 4 by 3. Okay. So let us check with minus 1 by 3. What is it coming as? So now I'm checking 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Because again I have to take alternately positive, negative, positive, negative. So what are we getting? 1 plus minus 1 by 3 whole to the power y. This will become positive now. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into y square. I'm just checking with the third term whether it is coming or not. If it is coming, then this is our series. Okay. Are you getting, Shamili? So it will become 1 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 factorial into y square. Tell me, is it clear, Shamili?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is coming, I guess, 4 by 3 square into 2. Right. It's 4 by 3 square into 2 into y square. Let's see. Wait. I'm just checking. 4 by 3 square into 2 into y square. So it is coming. Can you understand? So this is our series. Are you getting? So the second series means if this is S, okay, I need to find out the value of S only. If this is S, the second series is nothing but 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Tell me, are you getting, Shamili? Now I'm going to substitute the value of y. Okay. Y we have got it as 1 by 1 minus x whole cube minus 1. So let us substitute. It will be 1 plus 1 by 1 minus x whole cube minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. These two gets cancelled. Okay. So I am getting. Okay. So wait a minute. It is starting with 1 by 3 into y. Are you getting, everyone? Basically, this is not S. I mean, S is not 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3.
Add, subtract 1.
We have to add, subtract 1. Okay, wait a minute. Some more modifications needs to be done. Okay. So basically, if you take 1 to the left hand side, you are getting 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Tell me. Is equal to, if I subtract 1, this will be minus 1 by 3y plus this one, 4 by 3 square into 2 into y square dot. But this is negative of s, right? This implies 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 is equal to negative of s, right? So what is s? S is equal to 1 minus of 1 plus y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Tell me. Is it clear, Shamili?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to others? Abhigyan, Oipsha, Adrija, Joyatra,
Yes.
are people getting?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Pallavi, Roshan, are you getting this? Tell me. Ronak,
Yes, sir.
Shwankit, Shamili, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to substitute the value. What is y? Y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x whole cube minus 1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 minus x whole cube minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, these two gets cancelled. Okay, so what are we getting? This will become 1 minus x whole cube. Actually, it will become when you reciprocate 1 minus x whole cube whole to the power 1 by 3. So it is 1 minus of 1 minus x, which is equal to x. Hence the answer is option A. Is it clear, Shamili?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer is option A. Yes. Here, tell me if you have any other method. Tell me what did you do?
Sir, instead of doing the AP, doing that, I did
Adding
expanded
and
and put
subtracting.
it in the form. Yes, sir. I added 1 to both sides, LHS and RHS, and then I got the form 1 minus x to the power minus 3.
1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus dot 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 plus 10. Yes. I
Yes,
think
sir.
this method is
Equal
also
to
correct.
3.
So y plus 1 is equal to 1 plus, this is nx, n into n minus 1, 3 into 2, 3, n into n minus 1.
No, sir, I did 1 minus x to the power minus n.
Minus n. Oh, acha.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I understood. Yes, so this is also another method. Okay, if this also clicks in your head. Okay, another method. Pay attention. To simplify y. Okay, instead of using AP, y is equal to, it was 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube plus dot 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 up to infinity. You add 1, you are going to get 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube. Okay, plus dot 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 dot. Now the right hand side is nothing but 1 plus x whole to the power minus 3. Just check. Minus 3, 1 minus x, I guess, right? Minus x.
That would be minus x.
Minus x. Yes. Yes, so this is also correct. Okay. Tell me. Shamili, did you understand? Another way to simplify. Second method. If you identify this form, okay, if you are unable to identify, then you use AGP, the way I have done it. Okay. But
Yes.
this is much shorter. Okay. Anyways, we are moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 came in JEE means. The answer is 6C. Greatest. Questions on greatest. Largest term also comes. R is equal to 6. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Number 6 came in JEE Advanced C 2018. 646. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
Sir, can you please solve this?
Okay, solving this one. So x is equal to 10c1 whole square plus 2 into 10c2 whole square plus 3 into 10c3 whole square plus dot 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 10 into 10c10 whole square. Okay, so let us start. X is equal to 10c1 whole square plus 2 into 10c2 whole square plus 3 into 10c3 whole square plus dot 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 dot. Right, let me see. Ten c1 whole square, 2 into 10c2 plus 10 into 10c2 whole square. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write down x once again. Okay. Okay, can I write x is equal to so this is the sum we need to calculate, na? Okay, no problem. So basically 10c1 whole square plus c0. Achha, so what is x? X is equal to summation of r equal to 1 to 10. It was 10 last term. R equal to 1 to 10. 10cr whole square. I mean r into 10cr whole square. Right. R into 10cr whole square. Okay. So this can be written as summation of r equal to 1 to 10 r into 10cr into 10cr. Okay. So r into 10cr I think I can simplify. So r into 10 factorial divided by r factorial into 10 minus r whole factorial. Okay. This will become r gets cancelled. It will be r minus 1. Okay. Similarly, in the numerator, I'll take 10 common. I'll get 9 factorial upon r minus 1 whole factorial into. Achha, no. Multiplying and dividing by 10. Let me see. Multiplying and dividing by 11. 1 by 11 into 11 factorial divided by r minus 1 whole factorial into 10 minus r whole factorial. Let's see. Is it coming at 11c r minus 1? Just let me check. What is 11c r minus 1? It is 11 factorial divided by r minus 1 whole factorial into 11 minus of r minus 1. No, it is coming as 12. No.
It will be 9cr minus 1.
9c r minus 1 would be better. Wait. Taking 10 common. Okay. 10 into 9 factorial divided by r minus 1 whole factorial into 10 minus r whole factorial. I think this one is okay. 9c r minus 1. So are you getting, Joyatra? Tell me, this one will become summation of r equal to 1 to 10.
Yes, sir.
10 into 10 outside 9cr minus 1. Okay. Into 10cr. Okay. Now 10cr I can write it as 10c 10 minus r. Right. 10 into summation of r equal to 1 to 10. 9cr minus 1 into 10cr will become 10c 10 minus r. Okay. 10c 10 minus r. Okay. Vandermont's identity we can use.
Sir.
We can use Vandermont's identity. So I think
Yes,
this
sir.
will become 10 plus 9, 19. 10 into 19c
C9.
c9. R minus 1 plus 10 minus r is 10, 19c9, right? It is coming as 10 into 19c9. And what do we need to find out? X
This
by
by 30.
1430. X by 1430, right? Okay, I think the answer should come. Let's see. 10 into 19c9 by 1430. Okay, 0 gets cancelled. Okay. So 19c9 by 143. Let's see. 19c9 is 19c9 9 factorial. Calculate. 19 into 18 into 17 up to 16 to 15 into 14 into 13 into 9 factorial, 10 factorial, 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 9 factorial. So up to 11 factorial.
43 is 13 into 11. That gets cancelled
That gets only 13 into 11. Rest we have to calculate.
It's coming 646 only.
It will come 646.
Yes, sir.
Come.
It would be simplified.
Into 11 divided by 9 factorial, right? Into 143. This is I am getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, 143 is 11 into 13. So these two gets cancelled. Okay. Yes, we can do some cancellation. 9, 8 factorial. 9 times 2. Then 8 factorial. 7. This again 2. 7 factorial. Again 7 times 6 factorial. This is 2. Okay. Then 6 times anything? Yes. 6 times 5 factorial. This is 2. Yeah, 5 factorial. 5 times 4 factorial. This is 3. Okay. 4 factorial is 24. So 24 times 3, 2, 2 and 1, 2 gets cancelled. I'm getting 19 into 17 into 2. Is it 646? I think 646.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last, in the end, the calculation is lengthy. Otherwise, the question was easy only. Okay. It came in advance 2018. So, of course, it will kill some of your time. Okay. It's an advanced problem. But this kind of questions you can expect in mains nowadays. Okay. The kind of paper pattern I've been seeing nowadays. I mean, this year, what I've seen.
So question number 5 was last year's J Advance.
Question number 5 was last year's JED. Oh, yes. But 5 was easy. See, 5 was easy.
Yes, sir.
So number 7 this year only. The answer is 1 by E, I guess. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. 7 is 1 by E. 8 is 2000. 8 is E minus 1 by 3. Anyone having any doubt? 7, 8, you can ask me now. It is based on the expansion of E to the power x. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Those who are online.
No, sir.
Okay, then we can continue with complex numbers. Tell me, Abhigyan, Agniva, Adrito, Adrija, Ronak, Samragni, Shashwato. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Family, Shinika,
No, sir.
Rasheshwari, Anvesha. Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, over here, Shana. Pratyay. Anyone? Okay, then we can start with complex numbers. Okay, last day we were discussing complex numbers only. Okay, we did 2 problems. Last day I had done up to equality of complex numbers. Okay, so let us continue, everyone. Last day we have done up to equality of complex numbers. Okay. Next, there is another thing we need to understand. That is, if A comma B belongs to R, okay, is a A and B are real numbers. Okay, then this implies and if A square plus B square is equal to 0. Okay, then what is the solution, everyone? Tell me. If A comma B belongs to R and A square plus B square is equal to 0, what is the solution? Then this sine and cos. Sine square plus cos square. How can I? Tell me. Then what is the
A
solution?
equals to IB.
A equal to B equal to 0, isn't it? They both are real numbers, right, Adito?
Okay, sir. Okay.
If they are real numbers, then there exists exactly one solution. That is, they both are equal to 0. But
Yes.
if I say Z1 comma Z2 belongs to real numbers, then and Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 0, then there exist how many solutions? Tell me. Then there are infinitely many solutions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll explain why. Okay, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so for example, you see let z1 is equal to 1 plus iota and z2 is equal to 1 minus iota. So what is z1 square plus z2 square? Tell me. Oh, I have written real. It should be complex. Okay, everyone, if z2, z1, z2 belongs to complex numbers. Tell me, what is z1 square plus z2 square? Tell me.
0.
0. You people are getting 0? Okay. Now over here, I'm going to take another solution. Another solution is 2 into, z1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus iota and z2 is equal to 2 into 1 minus iota. Now tell me, how many solutions? Still z1 square plus z2 square is equal to 0. Okay. So hence, I'm going to generalize it. Hence, if we take z1 is equal to n into 1 plus iota and z2 is equal to n into 1 minus iota, then z1 square plus z2 square is equal to 0 only. Right. Now you put any real number as n. Okay. You'll always get 0. Next. And if z1, z2 is equal to 0, if the product of two complex numbers is equal to 0, then either z1 is equal to 0 or z2 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. Conjugate of z. Conjugate of z. Okay. If z is equal to x plus iota, if z is equal to x plus iota y, then what is z bar? Z bar is equal to x minus iota y. Okay. For example, if z is equal to 2 plus iota, then z bar is equal to 2 minus iota. Okay. Next, properties of conjugate. Properties of conjugate. So let us see. Number 1, z bar whole bar will be equal to z only. We are taking conjugate twice. Okay. So z bar whole bar will be equal to z. Number 2, what is z plus z bar? Real part of z. Okay. You see, you add, you will understand 2 plus iota plus 2 minus iota will be equal to 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 into real part of z. And what is z minus z bar? 2 times imaginary part of z. Right, so now are you getting? Okay. Next. Also, there is one illustration you will understand. Okay. Part 4. Okay. Let us plot z in the complex plane. Okay. Z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. If z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Okay. This is where z lies. Right, tell me. This is where z will lie. Where will z bar lie? Tell me. Where will z bar lie?
So it will be the mirror image along the x-axis.
Mirror image of x-axis. Okay. So this is where z bar lies. Huh? Yes. 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Remember. So we can say z bar is the image of z over the real axis. Z bar is the mirror image of z over x-axis, over real axis. Okay, number 5. z1 plus z2 whole bar will be equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Next, number 6. z1 minus z2 whole bar will also be equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar. Number 7. z1 bar z1 into z2 bar is equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. Hey, if anyone needs the proof, you can ask me. Although I think you people are capable of doing the proof. But still, if you need the proof, let me know. Next. z1 by z2 whole bar will be equal to z1 bar by z2 bar. Remember. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
can you show the property once?
Property which one? Property 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Next. Modulus of complex numbers. Modulus of complex numbers. Okay. So what does mod z means? Okay, everyone. So if z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay. Let us plot it on the argand plane. Let's plot it on the argand plane. This is z, everyone. Right, tell me. X comma y. Okay. Now mod z. Mod z is equal to x square plus y square. So you people can understand that this particular distance is x and the vertical distance is equal to y. Okay. So mod z is nothing but the distance of the complex number from the origin. Can you people understand? Okay. So this is what mod z is. Okay. Perpendicular distance is y. Horizontal distance is equal to x. Okay. So you can say that mod z is the distance of z from the origin. Okay, distance of z from the origin. Therefore, mod of z will be equal to root over x square plus y square. Okay, next. Everyone, if I say mod z is equal to 1, okay, what does it implies? It implies that the distance from origin is always constant. So what does it represent, everyone? So a circle. Exactly. Unit circle with center as 0, 0. So the complex number lies on a circle of radius 1 and center 0, 0. Okay. Circle is real, but the points lying on it is imaginary.
Sir, could you please scroll up a little bit?
Okay.
Sir, a little bit more.
Just more.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt till now, you can ask now. Tell me. Is anyone having any doubt?
Can you scroll down?
Down. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Shirika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us start. Okay. So everyone, so wherever you see mod z is equal to 1, wherever you see, always think about the unit circle. Mod z is equal to 1 is a circle of radius 1 and center 0, 0. Wherever you see, mod z is equal to 1. Okay, next, argument of z. Argument of z. Okay. So everyone, let us say that this is a complex number. There exists a complex number on the argand plane, z. Let us call this point P, x, y. Okay. It makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis. Okay. So if OP makes an angle theta with the real axis, then theta is called one of the argument of z. Okay, for example, in z, yes, theta is called the argument of z.
Yes, sir. Done.
Right? Okay. Okay. If OP makes an angle theta, okay, with the real axis, then theta is called one of the arguments of z. Okay. And if I want to write down the general value of z, okay, so general value of argument of z, general value of argument of z will be equal to 12 pi plus theta, where theta belongs to, where n belongs to integers. Right. Means again, if we take a 360-degree turn, it will come to the same point. Right. Okay. N belongs to integers. What here letters? Nice. Okay. Okay. So like for example, everyone, if z is equal to 1 plus iota into root 3. Okay. So over here, can anyone tell me what is the argument? Tell me one of the argument. Raise your hand. Don't stick up in between. Raise your hand. Tell me one of the argument of 1 plus iota root 3. Yes, Ritam, tell me. 60 degree? Right, tell me everyone. One of the argument of theta will be equal to, of this z will be equal to 60 degree. This is 1 comma root 3. Okay. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay. So you can say therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Further, you can say that argument of z is equal to 60 degree or pi by 3. Okay. And what is the general argument? General argument will be equal to general argument of z will be equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
Sir, can I scroll up?
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Achha, write down with the positive real axis. Okay, everyone. Not only with the real axis, with the positive real axis. With positive real axis. Okay. Next. Question number 1. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Okay. Number 1. Option. Wait a minute. Argument of -1 minus root 3 iota. Okay. -1 minus root 3 iota will be equal to option A. Option A. 4 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Option A 4 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Option B minus 9 pi plus pi by 3. Option C minus 7 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Option D all of the above. So once you have done it, send your answers. It's multiple correct type. Okay. All questions. Let me check your answer again. Okay, Pallavi, check your answer again. Shashiko, check your answer again. Abhija, check your answer again. Done. Yes, Abhija, right answer. So one could check your answer again. Yes, Ahir, now it is correct. Adrito, it's correct. Agniva, check your answer again. Somebody right answer. Shashwatu, check your answer again. Roshan, check your answer again. Ronak, check your answer again. Pallavi, check your answer again. Madhuryo, right answer. Gayatri, check your answer again. Adrija, now it's correct. Agniva, check your answer again. Okay, let us start, everyone. First of all, what you done? Before, what did you write? Okay, so everyone, Manisha, check your answer again. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot this complex number on the. Okay, first of all, I'm going to plot this complex number. Minus 1 minus root 3 iota, this will be equal to over here. Minus 1 minus root 3. Okay. So everyone, what is this angle? Tell me. Pi by 3? So your general argument, I'm going to write down the general argument. General argument of Z. Yes, Shashwat, the right answer. General argument of Z will be equal to either 2n pi plus 4 pi by 3 or 2n plus 1 whole pi plus pi by 3. Right? Tell me. Either it is odd multiple of pi plus pi by 3 or it is an even multiple of pi plus pi by 3. Right? Now you have to check with the options. In which option do you find even multiple of pi plus 4 pi by 3? Option A. Option A is correct. In which option are you finding odd multiple of pi plus pi by 3? Option B. So option B is also correct. What do you think? Option C is correct? No. Is it clear to everyone? Those are online? Yes. Anvesha, Agniva, Pallavi, did you understand? Gayatra, Roshan,
Yes, sir.
Ankit, is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, next. Note. Okay, note. By specifying, number one, by specifying the modulus and argument, modulus and argument, a complex number is completely defined. A complex number is completely defined. Defined. Okay. However, for the complex number, 0 plus iota into 0, the argument is not defined. The argument is not defined. Okay. Basically, the argument is defined when a complex number, when there is some angle created between the complex number and the positive x-axis. But over here, no angle, no such angle is being created. Right? It's just a point on the origin. So this is the only complex number in the whole of complex field, okay, which does not have any argument. Understood? Okay, which is completely defined. Purely? Of course, it is purely real. Then what is the argument? Tell me. 0. Understood? Because there is some ray from the origin. Okay. But for 0 plus iota into 0, there exists no ray. Okay, it is just a point. It is not defined by taking in terms of its modulus. By talking in terms of its modulus. In terms of its modulus. Okay. That is, if I say mod z is equal to 0, what will you think of? Mod z is equal to 0, that means there exists only one complex number that is 0. Okay. Modulus is equal to 0. Next. Okay. So over here in this note, I have said that if the modulus and argument of a complex number is given, that means the complex number is completely defined. Okay. So you tell me, if only argument of z is given, what does it represent? If only argument of z is given as pi by 4, pi by 4 is given. Okay. Then what does it represent? Tell me. If only argument of z. A line. What does it represent? If argument of z is given to us equal to pi by 4. That means the complex number is creating an angle of pi by 4 with the positive
Slope
axis.
is given.
Slope? No, not actually the slope. Argument is given. Okay. So where does the complex number lie? The complex number will lie on this ray. Right, tell me. The complex number will lie on this ray.
Yes, sir.
Will we take the opposite side also? What do you think? Tell me. Will we take the opposite side also of this ray? Tell me. Should we take it or not? No, we shouldn't take it. Because the argument of this ray. What is the argument of this ray? Tell me.
So pi plus pi by 4.
5 plus pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 are getting, or minus 3 pi by 4. So that's why we shouldn't take this. Okay. Whenever it is written argument of z is equal to pi by 4, you need to think in your head that it is a ray originating from the origin. Okay. Not the opposite side. Okay. So the complex number can lie anywhere on this range. Okay. Write it down. If argument of z is equal to pi by 4 is given, those are online, are people getting? What does argument of z equal to pi by 4 represents?
Yes.
Given. Then the complex number, which are you getting? Then the complex number will lie anywhere. On the ray y is equal to x in the first quadrant. Will lie anywhere on the ray y is equal to x in the first quadrant. Okay. It will lie anywhere. Okay. So write it down. So argument of z only implies a ray, not a line. Okay. Next. And what does mod z represent? Mod z equal to 1 or equal to 2, anything. What does mod z represent? Distance from the origin means it represents a circle, unit circle, right? I mean, it represents a circle. It's a unit circle. Mod z equal to r. It will represent a circle of radius r, right? Okay. So everyone, part 2. if a mod and argument of a complex number is given, and argument of a complex number is given, then the complex number will lie, and the complex number will lie on both the circle and the ring. Right, complex number will lie on both the circle and the ring. Now, tell me, if there is a unit circle, if there is a circle whose center is the origin, and there is a ray originating from the origin, in how many, there will be how many points of intersection? Tell me. Only one point of intersection, right? There will be only one point of intersection. Only one point of intersection. Okay, so only one complex number. So we'll get a unique complex number. Are people getting how we are going to get a unique complex number? Like modulus and argument is given to us. If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, draw it. Okay, let us say mod z is given as 1 and z is given as, sorry, argument of z is given as 5/3. Okay, so what will be the complex number? Complex number will look somewhat, where will that complex number lie? Over here, right, on this ray and on this circle. So this is where the complex number lies. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Tell me, those are online, have you people understood? How will we get a unique complex number if modulus and argument is given? Tell me, Adrija, Agrito, Mahir, Madhukyo, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Samragni, Shasato, Shivankit,
Yes,
Kamli,
sir.
Sudhika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us continue. Our next topic is amplitude. Okay, since you people have understood argument, let us define amplitude. Amplitude of Z. Principal value of the argument.
Sir, can you explain this point once, please?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Now see, Aviksha, over here mod Z is given to us, means its modulus is given to us, the distance from the origin is given to us,
Yes, sir.
it will represent a unit circle, right?
Yes, sir.
At first you draw a circle. Okay, Aviksha?
Yes, sir.
Now Z, your complex number can lie anywhere on this circle, right?
Yes.
If only modulus is given to us, it can lie anywhere on this circle. But if the argument is also given to us, that means your modular, your complex number can lie anywhere on this ray.
Yes.
Okay, that means the complex number should lie in this modulus also, in this circle also, and on this ray also. So tell me, which complex number lies on both? Which complex number lies on both? Tell me. The intersection point?
Yes.
Okay. So are you getting how we are getting the unique complex number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us continue. Amplitude or principal value of the argument. Okay, this is how it was defined. Amplitude. Amplitude or principal value of the argument. Now the principal value was defined to get a unique complex number. Okay, everyone. Amplitude or principal value of argument. Okay. The unique value of theta
unique value of theta such that the unique value of theta such that theta lying between minus pi to pi. Okay, if you are including minus pi, then you exclude pi, and if you are excluding minus pi, you include pi. Okay, because they both are same points. Okay, everyone. The unique value of theta such that theta lies between minus pi to pi is called the principal argument. It's called the principal value of argument. Okay. Unless otherwise stated, in the question, Z refers to the principal value of argument. Okay. Until unless it is not mentioned, universally it is taken that the principal value should lie between minus pi and pi. Understood? Otherwise, in the question, if they want to define some principal argument, they will define it. Okay. Refers to the principal value of argument. Okay. The working rule. How to find out the principal value of the argument. Working rule. Okay. For finding principal value. Okay. Let Z equal to A plus iota B. Let Z equal to A plus iota B. Okay. Okay. Then find number one. Number two, find theta is equal to tan inverse mod B by mod A. Okay, only the positive one. Then case 1, number 3. Case 1. If Z lies in first quadrant, then theta is equal to alpha. Case 2. If Z lies in second quadrant, then theta is equal to pi minus alpha. Case 3. If Z lies in third quadrant, okay, you will see that A is less than 0, B is less than 0. And theta is equal to minus pi minus alpha. Wait a minute. Should I between minus 5 to 5? See, I am explaining the second case. Okay. So it is lying in the second quadrant. Okay. We have found out this theta. Tell me. Right. We have found out this theta. But what will be the argument of z? This one, no? So are you getting why it is pi minus theta? Tell me. Okay, but I don't think you need to learn all this. Okay, what you do is you just plot it. After plotting, you find out the argument of z. Okay, you don't need to find it. You just plot it to find out the argument of z from there. Case 3 is minus pi minus alpha. Okay. Case 4. In z lies. In fourth quadrant.
Sir, if it's minus pi minus alpha, then it's getting out of range, na?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir. It is ranging from minus pi to pi.
Wait. Minus pi plus alpha. Now it's fine. Okay. See, alpha is always a positive number. Wait a minute. Alpha should be theta only. Okay. Basically, this is alpha. Wait. Alpha is equal to tan inverse mod b by mod a. Okay. Now it's everyone rectify. In second step, it should be alpha equal to tan inverse mod b by mod a. But anyways, I don't think you need to remember all this. Okay, don't need to learn all this, how to find out mod, alpha equal to tan inverse mod b by mod a. Just by plotting it on the argand plane, we can determine what will be the principal argument. You just need to maintain the range minus pi to pi. Okay, I'll give you an example, you will understand. Okay, if z lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Then amplitude of z will be equal to minus alpha. Okay, so I'll give you an example, you will understand. For example, find the amplitude of minus 1 minus alpha into root 3. Okay, everyone? So what you do is, you plot it on the argand plane. Okay. This is minus 1 minus iota root 3. Okay, everyone? Pay attention. This is minus 1 minus iota into root 3. What is this angle? This angle is equal to pi by 3. Okay. So your answer is minus pi plus pi by 3. Tell me, are you getting how I have got minus pi plus pi by 3? You have to go minus pi. I mean pi direction in the clockwise direction, then plus pi by 3. Always you need to maintain the range minus pi to pi. So what is the amplitude? Amplitude will be equal to minus pi plus pi by 3. This will be equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Then is it clear, everyone? How you can find out the amplitude? Okay, no need to remember.
Minus pi by 3.
Which one? Yes, but it is outside the range. No? You have to maintain the range minus pi to pi. I can take pi plus pi by 3 also, but try to understand it is outside the range. You should maintain the range minus pi to pi, unless in the question it is given some other principal argument. Understood? Shana? Okay. Yes, Joyta, tell me, you are saying something?
Sir, I think I was wrong.
Okay. Next. Has everyone understood? Tell me. If you still didn't understand, you can ask me again. Tell me. Rhythm, is it clear? Those are online? Shania, Shamli? Oh, अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
Shinika आएगा सर, PC Shinika. Okay, Madhuryo, Pallavi, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, everyone understood?
Yes,
Ajit,
sir.
Adrija, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is clear, we can do some problems. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find amplitude of plus minus 1. Okay, with minus root 3 I have already showed you. Okay. Plus minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota. Okay, so there should be 4 answers. I need 4 answers, everyone. Okay, quickly send. Remember, you just need to maintain the range minus 5 to 5. Okay, you don't need to remember all this theory. Okay, just plot it on the number line. I mean, argand plate, and then just find out the angle. The angle should lie angle from the positive x-axis. Your angle should lie between minus 5 to 5. I should understand for which complex number, which amplitude you have taken. Otherwise, how will I understand? You might be writing RIP for some other complex number. How will I know? Okay. Wait, I'll make it better for you. Okay. Find the amplitude of part 1 minus 1. Sorry, 1 plus root 3 iota. Part 2 1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota. Part 3 minus 1 minus root 3 iota. This one I have already done it, so no need to do part 3. Part 3 will be minus 1, sorry, 1 minus root 3 iota. Okay, write it in that order. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, quickly send everyone. Okay, once you have done it, once you have done question number 2, question number 3. Okay, question number 3 I will do. So Shashwata right answer. Abhiksha right answer. Adrija right answer. Adrito right answer. Anvesha right answer. Kamali, your answer is correct. Wankit, your answer is correct. Ronak, the second one which you wrote, is that the answer of this one? Ronak, have you written the answer in this order only? Tell me.
No, sir, the first one.
Okay. Then you write it once again, part 1, part 2, part 3, which answer is there.
Okay, sir, noting.
Okay, Agniva, your answer is correct. Roshan, part 1 is correct. Part 2, I cannot understand what you are. I am unable to make out. Part 3, no. I think only part 1 is correct. Okay. Try to plot them on the argand plane and then try to find out. Sumita, part 1 is correct. Write down all at once. Yes. Pallavi, all your answers are correct. Ahir, I hope the last one is minus 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yes, Jayatra, your answer is correct. Yes, Abhigyan, right answer. Sumita, part 2 is correct. Madhito, your answers are correct. Yes, Ronak, your answers are correct. Okay, let me solve. So 1 plus root 3 iota, it lies in the first quadrant, right? 1 comma root 3, what is the angle? 60 degree. So this is pi by 3. 1 comma root 3. Minus 1 comma root 3. Minus 1 comma root 3, it is pi minus pi by 3. Okay, this will be equal to 2 pi by 3. Are you people understanding why it is pi minus theta over here? Over here, why I wrote pi minus alpha? Next. If it is in the third quadrant minus pi plus alpha, so minus 2 pi by 3. And lastly, it is minus pi by 3. This is 1 comma minus root. Tell me. Roshan, did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Okay. Again, everyone note. Number 1. If Z is purely real, positive complex numbers. If Z is purely real, positive complex number. Then what is amplitude of Z? Amplitude of Z is equal to 0. Number 2. If Z is purely imaginary complex number, purely imaginary. What is the amplitude? Can anyone tell me? Huh? Purely imaginary positive complex number. Purely imaginary.
Pi by 2.
Yes, purely imaginary positive complex number. Imaginary positive complex number. Then amplitude of Z is equal to pi by 2. Right? It lies in the positive y-axis. Can you people understand? Positive vertical axis. Next. If Z is purely real negative number, purely real negative number, then what is amplitude of Z? Amplitude of Z is equal to pi. Lastly, part 4. If Z is purely imaginary negative number, then amplitude of Z is equal to minus pi. Anyone are having any doubt? These are very simple. If you people are having any problem, let me know. Okay, amplitude of Z is equal to minus pi. So there are few more points I needed to write. Till now, anyone having any doubt? Any?
No, sir.
No.
So won't it be minus pi by 2?
Yes, right. Okay, right. Minus pi by 2. So there was something. Yes. You people know part 5. Z dot Z bar is equal to mod Z square. Okay. Where Z is equal to A plus iota B. Okay. Next number part 6. If f of A plus iota B. Okay. Means it follows the rules of polynomials also. If f of A plus iota B is equal to x plus iota y. Okay. Then f of A minus iota B is equal to x minus iota y. Okay. Description. Okay, part 7. Okay. If mod of z minus z naught equal to r. Okay, this is also important. Where z is equal to x plus iota y and z naught is equal to x naught plus iota y naught. Okay. What does it represent, everyone? Tell me. Distance of a complex number z from another complex number z naught, right, is always constant. So what does it represent? Tell me. So let us substitute and check. Hyper. So on substitution, what do we get? On substitution, okay, let us substitute and check what are we getting. On substitution, we get mod of x minus x naught plus iota into y minus y naught, right, equal to r. So basically, you are going to get x minus x naught whole square, sorry, equal to r, plus y minus y naught whole square is equal to r square. Now tell me, what does it represent? This implies
Sir, a circle.
a circle.
Yes, sir, sir. I don't know why I said hyperbola.
Hyperbola also we'll discuss. Mod of z minus z naught equal to r is a circle with center.
X naught comma y naught.
Exactly. Circle with center. Z naught is a constant, fixed point. Z is a variable. Okay. With Z naught and radius r. If there's anyone who couldn't understand, you might have done all these things in school also, right? Tell me. What? Don't teach.
Sir, would you please prolog?
Yes. So let us do some problems, everyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us do some problems. Question number 1. Question number 4, I guess, right? Or 3, 4, what is it? 3. Question number 3. Find the modulus of number 1 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus iota into root 3 minus 1 Try to read to part 2, 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha, where alpha belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2. Okay. Question number 4. Describe and sketch. Okay, I need the full solution, means the diagram also. Okay, sketch the locus mod of z minus. Sketch means you just draw. Don't color it also. Okay, mod of z minus z1 equal to mod of z minus z2. Only draw with pencil, no crayons or anything. Okay. Question number 5. Okay. Sketch the complex number. It is important, everyone. Okay, questions will come on finding the area. If you understand the area from the locus, okay, you'll be able to. If you are able to draw the locus, that means you'll be able to find out the area also. Sketch the complex number whose locus satisfies the inequality mod of z minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 and less than 3. So also find its area. Okay? Also find its area. Solve. Once you've done it, keep sending your answers, everyone. Pallavi 3 part 1 is correct. Aisha 3 part 1 is correct. Adrija 3 part 1 is correct. Part 2 can be simplified further. It can be further simplified. Adrito 3 part 1 is correct. Shamli 3 part 1 is correct. Ashoto 3 part 1 is correct. You are making a mistake with part 2. Alpha belongs to pi.
Sir, cos theta will be negative now.
Think. Amesha 3 part 1 is correct. Adrito, there is a slight mistake. In part 2, Amesha 3 part 1 is correct. Agnipa 3 part 1 is correct. Adrija, check your answer again. Abhiksha 3 part 2 is correct. Gayatri 3 part 1 is correct. Ahir, question number 4 is correct.
Sir, is 3 part 2 wrong?
Wait, I'm checking. Roshan 3 part 1 is 3 part 2 and 1 both are correct. Yes. Adrito, now it is correct. Gayatri Gatra, yes, check 3 part 2. Over here he has done 3 part 1. Anyone? Part 1 is correct. Check 3 part 2. 3 part 1 is correct. Check 3 part 2. Part 1 is correct. Part 2 you are making a mistake. Okay, Anvesha 3 part 2 is correct. I'm starting everyone. Okay, so if you remember everyone, 3 part 1, this complex number is nothing but cos 15 degree plus iota sine 15 degree if you remember. Right? What is the value of cos 15 if you remember? Cos 15 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So what is mod z? Mod z is equal to sine square 15 degree plus cos square 15 degree square root. This will come as 1. Done. 2-line problem. Also, here can you find out the area where the complex number z is lying? I'll be able to understand more which region you are trying to indicate. Okay. Yes, Adrija, your answer is correct. Shamli, your answer is correct, part 2. And Gayatra also part 2 is correct. Part 2 I am solving everyone. It is given 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. Let us start. 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. You need to find out the modulus of this expression. Okay, so mod z will be equal to root over 1 plus cos alpha whole square plus sine square alpha. Okay, this will become how much? Root over 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 cos alpha. Right, everyone? So this will become root over 2 plus 2 cos alpha will become 2 into 2. 1 plus cos alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. So this will become 2 into 2 cos square alpha by 2. This will become mod of 2 cos alpha by 2. Yes, I have currently taken a mod of 2 cos alpha by 2. Now we need to understand where does alpha lies. Okay, where does the angle lies? Because if cos alpha by 2 is negative, it will open with a negative sign. If it is positive, it will open with a positive sign. Right? Okay. So alpha lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Okay. Where will alpha by 2 lie? Alpha by 2 belongs to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4. Okay. It lies in the second quadrant. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4. That means it will open with a negative sign. So this will be equal to minus 2 cos alpha by 2. Is it clear, Ritam? Okay. Next, everyone start sketching. Describe and sketch the locus. Yes, here your answer is correct. I'm starting with number 4, everyone. Basically, in number 4, what is given? You find out the area. Area found. Okay. Number 3, how low? 4 is describe and sketch the locus mod of z minus z1 is equal to mod of z minus z2. What does mod of z minus z1 represents? It represents the distance of the complex number from z1. And z minus z2 represents distance of the complex number from z2. They both are equal. So everyone, can I describe locus of z as locus of z is such that it is equidistant from two fixed points. What does it represent, everyone? Such that it is equidistant.
Circle.
Circle from two fixed points.
Sir, ellipse.
Ellipse? No. It's a perpendicular bisector of Z1 and Z2. Right, Harjuto? Equidistant from fixed points Z1 and Z2. Okay. So basically this is the complex number. Are you getting? Harjuto? And this is Z1, this is Z2. Okay, it will be a straight line perpendicular bisector of Z1 and Z2. Next, solution number 5. So number 5, there are two inequalities. One is mod of Z minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2, and another is mod of Z minus 1 is less than 3. So mod of Z minus 1 is less than 3. It represents the whole region inside the circle. First of all, tell me, what does mod of Z minus 1 equal to 3 represents? Circle with center 1, 0 and radius 3 units. Right. Circle with center 1, 0. Are you people getting? How to plot mod of Z minus 1 equal to 3? It will be this circle. If you couldn't understand, you can ask me now. Tell me, everyone. This is the circle. Mod of Z minus 1 equal to 3. Next. Mod of Z minus 1 is equal to 2. It will be this circle. Okay. So where does Z lies? It should be greater than it should be outside the green circle but inside the orange circle. Okay. So this is what we are talking about. Tell me. Rasheshwari, Anvesha, Madhurjo, Shamli, Shinika, Samragni, are people getting?
Sir, can you explain this one once?
Once again?
Yes.
Okay. So, what does mod of Z minus 1 greater than or equal to 2 represents? That means it lies outside the circle Z minus 1 equal to 2. Right. This is the circle Z minus 1 equal to 2. Tell me, Abhiksha?
Yes, sir.
Because Z lies on a circle whose center is 1, 0 and radius is equal to 2 units.
Yes.
Okay. And Z lies outside the circle. Okay. But Z also lies inside the circle whose center is 1, 0 but radius is 3 units. Means a bigger circle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically Z lies in this region, in this ring. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to find out the area. So what is the area? Tell me, Aisha, what is the area over here? Very simple. So Ankit, did you understand? Tell me. Shamali, Shinika, do you people understand?
Yes, sir.
Joyatra, is it clear?
Yes,
Pallavi,
sir.
have you understood? Tell me. Area is equal to pi into 3 square minus pi into
4 square.
2 square.
2 square.
This is equal to 5 pi. Okay, so this kind of questions can be asked, but this will be too easy. Okay. Next. So let us continue, everyone. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Find Z. Find Z having least positive argument. Find Z having least positive argument. Satisfying. Mod of Z minus 25 iota equal to 15. Solve. Question number 7. if x minus 2 plus iota into y minus 3 upon 1 plus iota is equal to 1 minus 3 iota. Find x and y. Find x and y if x comma y belongs to real. Question number 8. If z equal to xy belongs to complex numbers, find z. If z square 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 1 comma 7. Solve. Question number 9. Z square plus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota into z minus 11 plus 2 iota equal to 0. Find z. Question number 10. If f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44, find f of 3 plus 2 iota. Solve. Keep solving it. Should I start with 6, everyone? Tell me. Tell me, Roshan, have you understood number 5? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Exam check number 6. Wait a minute. Verification of Z square means x plus iota y whole square. Yeah, I'm checking one by one. Let me see. Yes, Pallavi 7 is correct. Somali 7 is correct. Adrija, this is the answer of which question?
Sir, 6.
For 6, you need to find out the value of Z. Yes, Agniba 6 is correct. Ahir 7 is correct. Adrito number 10 is correct. Ahir 6 is correct. Adrija 6 is correct. Somali number 8 is correct. Adrito 8 is correct. Somali, the answer you wrote, is that the answer of number 8 or 9?
Sir, number 9. Sorry.
9 is correct. The Shinika 7 is correct. Shinika 6 is correct. Ahir 6 is correct. Adrija 7 is correct. Shishuri, check number 7, 6 is correct. Abhipsha 7 and 8 are correct. Aditya 7 is correct. Ronak 6 is correct. Anvesha 7 is correct. Abhigyan 7 is correct. Check number 6. Over here, anyone? 6, 7 or anything? Somali 10 is correct. Aditya 6 is correct. Let us start with number 6, everyone. We need to find Z having least positive argument. Least positive argument satisfying mod of Z minus 25 iota equals to 15. So first of all, let us plot the complex numbers. So mod of z minus 25 iota equal to 15. What is mod of z minus 25 iota equal to 15? It is actually a circle with center 0,25.
Yes, sir.
Right, everyone? It's a circle with 0,25. And what is the radius? This point is 0,25. Radius is 15. So what is the coordinates of this point? Tell me. This is 15. What are the coordinates of this point? The lowest point. Tell me. What are the coordinates of this point? 0,10. Everyone pay attention. This is an important problem. This kind of question can come in mains. Now see everyone. We need to find out the complex number lying on this circle. We need to find out a complex number lying on this circle having least positive argument. This argument should be smallest. Now tell me. This complex number, if I take this complex number only, okay, this will be the argument. Right, tell me. This will be the argument. Next, if I take this complex number, this will be the argument. Right. If I take this complex number, this will be the argument. If I take it in the second quadrant, the argument increases. I have to take it in the first quadrant only. So for the least positive argument, the complex number should lie on this tangent to the circle. Tell me. This is the complex number having least positive argument. Can you people visualize it? Tell me. Are you getting Jayatra? Are you getting Jayatra, Shashwato, Shubhankit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhigyan, are you getting? Abhitya, are you getting? For the least positive argument,
Yes, sir.
this line should just touch the circle. Roshan, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my task is to find out this point. If I find out that point, my problem is done. Okay, everyone. So let us find out that point. Okay. So everyone, from the center, if I drop a perpendicular, what is this length? This length is 15. Okay, this length is 15. And what else?
The sector is at a distance 25.
And this is equal to 25. So we can find out this length. What is this length, everyone? Tell me. This length will be equal to, let us say that this is r. R will be equal to root over 25 square minus 15 square. That will give us how much? 625 minus 225, 420. So r equal to 20, everyone. Okay. Now what do I need to find out? Let us drop a perpendicular. Let us say that this complex number is x comma y. So everyone, this will be r cos theta and this will be r sin theta. Can you people understand? Perpendicular is r sin theta, base is r cos theta. I need to find out r sin theta and r cos theta. But for that we need the angle theta. Okay, we need argument. Are you getting, everyone? That we can find out very easily. So everyone, if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Okay. So what is, let's find out what is sin 90 minus theta, everyone. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 15 by 25. How much it is coming? 3 by 5. So cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. And what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Right. If you people are having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me. Jyotira, are you getting? Welcome. Over here, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me. Aditya, are you getting? Aditya, you have got the correct answer. Tell me. Shamli, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Rasheshwari and Vesha, up until this much, it is clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
So what is x? X is equal to r. R is 20. 20 into 3 by 5. And y is equal to 20 into, sorry, x is equal to 20 into 4 by 5. R sin theta. Wait. X is equal to 20 into 3 by 5 only. That is into 4 by 5. That gives us how much? 12 and 16. For the complex number z. So the 12 plus 16 iota. I hope it is clear to everyone. So whenever this kind of problems are given, always try to proceed it with coordinate geometry only. Okay. It will be simple, easier. Okay. Next. I am starting with number 7. X minus 2 plus iota into y minus 3 upon 1 plus iota is equal to 1 minus 3 iota. Let us start. Okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to rationalize it. Okay, everyone. And I am going to rationalize and compare. This is number 7. So rationalizing x minus 2 plus iota into y minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus iota upon 1 plus iota into 1 upon 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. What is 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota? 2. So everyone, let us multiply. So let us just think about the real part. What is the real part on the left hand side? Real part is equal to x minus 2, and from here also iota into y minus 3 minus iota. That will give us iota minus iota square, that is 1. So plus y minus 3. X minus 2 plus y minus 3. This is equal to, divided by 2. This will be equal to 1. So from here what are we getting? X plus y is equal to 2 plus 5, 7. This is equation 1. Are people getting? Next, let us compare the imaginary part. Imaginary part will come from minus x minus 2. And what is the imaginary part? Imaginary part will be minus iota into x minus 2. So that will give us minus of x minus 2 minus of x minus 2 and minus iota into and iota into y minus 3 plus 1. So plus y minus 3. Okay. Minus of x minus 2 plus y minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So from here what are we getting? From here I am getting minus x plus y equal to minus 3 gets cancelled. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. Mistake. Acha, divided by 2 is also there. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So over here we are getting minus x plus 2 plus y minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So from here what are we getting? Minus x plus y is equal to minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. So I have got two equations in two variables. X plus y equal to 7. Let us add. We are getting y equal to 1. And so what is the value of x? So x is equal to 6. Is it clear to everyone? X equal to 6, y equal to 1. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Number 7. Solve. Let's see. So we can keep on solving. 8 and 9 done. Good. Yes, modulator number 8 is correct. Joytra number 8 is correct. Aditya, there will be one more answer. Madhurya 8 is correct. Abhiksha, check number 9. Yes, Agniba 6 is correct. I mean 7 is correct. Yes, 8 and 9 done. Okay, number 8. Z equal to x square belongs to complex numbers. Z square into 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 1 comma 7. Let us start. Yes, Abhiksha, right answer. Another one. Means x plus iota y whole square into 1 comma, what was it? 1 comma 1.
Sir, I'm sending.
Same. Okay, actually, Ahira, I'm unable to understand your. Now it is correct. But are there 4 answers or 2 answers? Tell me. Ahira.
2 answers.
Then it is correct. Adrija, your answer is correct. Abhigyan, check number 8. I mean, there will be one more answer. X plus iota y whole square into 1 plus iota is equal to minus 1 comma 7, right? Let me see. Minus 1 comma 7. So minus 1 plus 7 iota. This implies, what are we getting? The real part will be x square minus y square. Okay? The real part will be x square minus y square. And there is a better method. Okay, x plus iota y whole square is equal to minus 1 plus 7 iota upon 1 plus iota. Now we can rationalize it. Okay, on rationalization, what are we getting? Minus 1 plus 7 iota into 1 minus iota upon 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota, that is 2. This will give us minus 1 plus iota plus 7 iota minus 7 upon 2. That will give us how much? Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. So minus 4 plus 3. Wait a minute. 7 iota into minus iota is minus 7 iota square. So plus 7. So I am getting 6 plus 8 iota by 2. That is 3 plus 4 iota. So everyone, I have got z square equal to 3 plus 4 iota. I have to take its square root. Z is equal to plus minus square root of 3 plus 4 iota. Let us start making it a perfect square. Okay, plus minus root over 2 into 2 iota into 1. Okay. So let us see. Or it can be written as 2 into 2 into iota. So it is 2 square plus iota square. Yes. Plus 2 into 2 into iota. This will be equal to plus minus square root of 2 plus iota whole square. This will be equal to plus 2 plus iota and minus 2 minus iota. Are you people getting? Tell me. Those are online. Samragini, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shashwato, are you getting? Shavankit, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Abhigyan number 10 is correct. Okay, let us move on to number 9. Are you people able to see a quadratic? Tell me. Are you people able to see a quadratic? Want to solve this quadratic? This is number 9. So z will be equal to minus b. So minus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. That is 2 into 1 plus 2 iota whole square minus 4ac, that will become 4 into 11 plus 2 iota. Roshan, are you getting? Divided by 6. Okay, let us simplify. This will become minus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota. Okay, we can take out 4, 4 will come out, so plus minus 2 into square root of 1 plus 2 iota whole square, that is 1, 2 iota whole square will become minus 4 plus 4 iota plus 11 plus 2 iota. This whole thing is divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. This will become minus of 1 plus 2 iota plus minus square root of 1 plus 11, 12 minus 4, 8. 8 plus 6 iota divided by 8 plus 6 iota. So what is the square root of 8 plus 6 iota? That we need to find out. Let us make it a perfect square again. This will be minus 1 plus 2 iota plus minus square root of, let us make it a perfect square. 6 iota can be written as 2 into, I guess 3 into iota. So this will become 3 square plus iota square. Are you people getting? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 3 square is 9 minus 1, 8. This will be minus 1 plus 2 iota plus minus 3 plus iota. So one of the answer will be minus 1 plus minus 2 iota plus 3 plus iota, or minus 1 plus 2 iota, sorry, minus 1 minus 2 iota minus 3 minus iota. This gives us how much? 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus iota, or minus 4 minus 3 iota. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So check your answer again. Okay, last one also. Should I start? Last one. Tell me. Don't substitute 3 plus 2 iota directly. Okay. After that, you start praying to God. God can save you after that. You substitute 3 plus 2 iota, find out 4 power, do so many things. Yes, Hari, your answer is correct. So did anyone substitute 3 plus 2 iota and try to solve?
No, sir.
No one, right? Oh. Arisha, did you substitute 3 plus 2 iota, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Then what method you were trying? Bacha, what method you were trying?
Sir, first I found x square
Oh,
means 2 plus 2 iota whole square value, and then for x cube I did x square into x.
okay. Let's see, I have a better method. Yes, Agniva, right answer. What you do is, you take x is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. I need to substitute x only, right? What I am going to do is, I will find out a quadratic whose one of the root is 3 plus 2 iota. Okay. What are we getting? X minus 3 is equal to 2 iota. Square both sides.
Yes, sir.
Do you people remember vanishing method? We did it in class 10. Right? X minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 4. This is, guys, x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 4. So what I am going to do is, I am going to find out the value of x square. X square is equal to 6x minus 13. Okay. Now I will keep on replacing x square in the equation, in the expression. Okay, this is known as vanishing method. We have done it in, you might have done it in class 10. Those who have done vanishing method, quadratic polynomials. Yes, we have been doing since class 8 also, those who are there with me since class 8. Okay. Right, Asheshwari, Adrito, Devesha, you people remember vanishing method?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So x to the power 4 and 4x square, take x square common. You are going to get x square plus 4. From these two, you take minus x common. You are going to get 4x square minus 8 plus 44. Now you substitute x square. X square is 6x minus 13. Okay. And over here 6x minus 13 plus 4. Tell me, Aisha, are you getting? Minus x into 4x square. So over here we have 4x square, right? I should have taken 4 also common. Minus 4 common, 4x. We are going to get minus 4x common. We are going to get x square minus 2. So x square is 6x minus 13 minus 2 plus 44. Now, what is the benefit of vanishing method? You see, I mean, once you substitute x square, okay, the degree of the whole polynomial reduces. Before, what was the degree of the polynomial? 4. Now, what is the degree of the polynomial? 2. Oh, achha. Which one? First 3 times. Oh, x minus 2. Ah, yes, yes. Correct. Then x minus 2 whole square is substituted directly. Yes, yes. Good. So 6x minus 13 into 6x minus 9 minus x into 6x minus 15 plus 44. Then this will become 6x into 6x, 6x square minus 54x minus 52x minus 72x plus 13 into 9 is 117 minus 6x square, and over here, 6x into 6x is 36x square. Minus plus 15x plus 44. Next, 36x square minus 6x square will become 30x square. So again 30 into 6x minus 13 minus 54x minus 28x will give us how much? Minus 54x minus 132. I think I have done some mistake or what? Minus 132 plus 15 is how much? 117. Minus 117x plus 117 plus 44. That will give us 161. Okay, x is not getting cancelled, so that means I have done some mistake somewhere. Let's see. I might have done some mistake. Let me see. X equal to 3 plus 2 iota, right? Let me see. Should be simplified. Let me see. My quadratic is x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44. Okay. From these two, I have taken x square common, x square plus 4. So 6x minus 9, up to this much is correct. Then minus 4x, x square minus 2. It is correct only. Plus 44. Okay. So again 6x minus 13 into 6x minus 9 minus, oh, this was 4x. 4x. See? So now let us see. Minus 4x into minus 6x. That gives us 24x, minus 24x square. Minus plus 4 into 15, 60x. Okay, now let us see. Okay, what is 36x square minus 24x square? 12x square. 12x square. And over here, minus 54x and plus 60x, 6x. And over here, minus 8x, so minus 72x. And 117 plus 44, 161. When you simplify, you are getting 72x minus 12 into 13 is 156 minus 72x plus 161. Yes. These two gets cancelled, you are going to get 5 then. Okay, is it clear? But actually there is another method. What you do is, you divide this polynomial by this polynomial, x square minus 6x plus 13. Okay. Then also you'll get your answer. Next day I'll show you this method. Okay. By divide. I mean, this method you people know. You divide the polynomial by another polynomial, you will get the remainder. Remainder is your answer. Okay. Tell me. Oipsha, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhigyan, Madhurjo, Joyatra, everyone understood? Roshan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Samragini, Shashwato, Shravani, Shinika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Warrior, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pallavi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Vanishing method? Okay, so I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Okay, Wednesday again we'll continue with complex numbers. Thank you everyone and good night. Wednesday we'll again continue.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.